Welcome to Arrowtown.
You're watching a Fantastic Four.
We're here in Arrowtown, and this is where we're staying for a week. It's in the Queenstown area, and it's just a little bit past 5 or 6 o'clock, and the town sort of shuts down. As you can see, we're walking in the middle of the street, so it's just a beautiful little town with all these little alleyways and nooks and crannies and old-fashioned stores, and it's just been a great stay so far.
Yeah, it's an old gold mining town, so most of the buildings here are the architecture is mostly from the early 1800s. Some of it's been refurbished, but a lot of it here is just the original. So it's been really fun to walk around and see that. Something that was interesting is that there's actually a little Chinese town, like a Chinese section of town, because apparently some Chinese came in to do some gold rushing as well. So that was an interesting little tidbit. There goes our first car that we've seen in like 10 minutes.
And we just passed our favorite restaurant, which is Terra Mia. It's an Italian restaurant with a great French hostess.
Yes.
So we've gone there a couple times. Probably the best paninis we've had in our lives.
Oh my word.
Homemade bread, smoked salmon, avocado, spring salad mix. It's been phenomenal.
Yeah, super awesome.
Yeah, really awesome. So anyway, this is where we've been staying. It's been great access to Queenstown, about 10-15 minute drive into Queenstown. But really, a lot of stuff is just right here. So we haven't really had a need to go in but a couple times.
Yeah, there's even a tiny little grocery store. Like a tiny little grocery store on the street and several little restaurants, and so it's just been really fun.
It's just such a cute little town. Anyway, we're gonna show you where we're staying. We'll show you, give you a little house tour and let you know, but you're just surrounded by mountains everywhere you go. Our house is surrounded by mountains, this town's surrounded by mountains. It's been wonderful. So before we go check out the house, we really wanted to show you our little 10-minute walk to downtown from the house and back.
Yeah, it's the best commute ever. So it's summertime here in New Zealand. So this commute has, alongside of the Arrow River, these beautiful summer flowers that are blooming, and people love their dogs here. So there are dogs just running everywhere, and there are trees, and it's just amazing. So it's the best commute ever.
And the best part is it follows this river, and every once in a while you come upon something like this. And now, let's go see the house.
Hey everybody! You may notice that I am not wearing the same clothes as in the last scene, and I have wet hair. That is because we actually shot that scene yesterday, and then when we got back to the house in order to shoot the house, the lighting was just too bad, so we decided, and it was late, so we just decided, oh, we'll do it this morning. Then we all woke up late this morning. But we love this little house so much, and this town so much, that we definitely wanted to give you a quick tour of our place. And the cleaning ladies are already here. But they are so kind, and they told us that we could just kind of run through the house to give you a quick look at it. So first, this is the outside of the house. We did a lot of school out here on the patio, and we did a lot of reading out here on the patio. And as you can see, it's just so beautiful, because look up there. This is our view. So I will stop talking about the amazing view, and I'm just going to do a quick tour of the house. So this is the front door, which is a sliding door. Take us into the living area, which I'll show you in a second, but first I'm going to show you this bedroom over here that Mitchell and I stayed in. So there's this cute, it's just really nicely decorated, and a queen bed, and then it had this really nice sort of walk back closet, because there are no doors on it. But I really like this closet, and I want to remember it for maybe if we ever have a house again someday. But it was a great little walk-in closet. And then I'll take you back over here into the living area. So this is the living room. As you can see, we had a couple of couches here, a TV, and then an open concept, which is my favorite, because you can always just sort of be in the same space with your people. So full-fledged kitchen, which is great. You can see it has a full refrigerator, and then a place to eat. So it's super comfortable. And I'm going to show you real quick the bedroom where the girls stayed in. I'm going to try not to interrupt the cleaning ladies too much. Let me just peek in there. So they had 2 twin beds. Hi guys! So they had 2 twin beds, and it was really cute, and they loved staying in there. And then, something we always love is laundry. So they had laundry room. It was great because they had not only a washer, but also a dryer. So I'll let Mitchell kind of look in here. Switch places. And then the last thing is the bathroom. So, had a shower, stand-up shower here, which was great. And then just a toilet and a sink. And I think that's it. I'm going to walk you back out onto the front porch. Get a good view as you go. And over here, we'll just end here on the front porch again because we wanted to show you our house in Arrowtown, and we hope you enjoyed the tour as much as we enjoyed staying here. As always, please, if you liked this video, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe because we have lots more videos coming your way, and have a great day. Bye.